These clever tips use natural, affordable ingredients you already have at home. Good for your health and the planet. Lemon. Cut in half and place in the fridge or bin to absorb odors. Mix lemon juice with salt to remove stains on fabric or metal. Banana peel. Rub the inside on leather shoes to polish. Use on insect bites to soothe itching. Cucumber. Place chilled slices on your eyes to reduce puffiness. Blend into a paste to soothe sunburns. Tomato. Rub half a tomato on skin to exfoliate. Mix tomato juice with baking soda to clean metalware. Potato. Apply raw slices under eyes to reduce dark circles. Put slices in musty containers to absorb moisture. Fresh ginger. Steep in hot water with honey to relieve nausea. Crush and apply to sore muscles for pain relief. Garlic. Place cloves in the fridge to deodorize. Boil and spray garlic water near doors to repel mosquitoes. Citrus peels. Dry and crush into sachets for air freshener and bug repellent. Used to scrub stains from mugs and teapots. Used coffee grounds. Mix with oil or milk for a body scrub. Pour into drains with water to remove grease and odors. Cilantro and Perilla Leaves. Chew fresh to relieve headaches. Burn dried leaves to repel insects. White radish. Place a slice over juice or wine stains before washing. Clean, green, and effective.